Now we can look at our second submodule. So far we have covered the SD Master Data Setup, which is our first module. And now we can cover the sales process in detail. The sales process is where the transactions are posted in the SD module. First, let us look at an overview of the sales process. To understand what kind of transaction will be happening in the sales process, here it is. Any sales process will first start with a sales quotation. And from the quotation we'll raise a sales order. The difference between a sales quotation and a sales order is not much. Actually, a sales quotation is an optional step. We can also go directly to a sales order. It's not a big problem. But in an actual sales scenario, a sales order will be preceded by a sales quotation. Because before the customer wants to raise the sales order, he wants to see the quotation price of each and every product he's ordering. So we normally raise a sales quotation and send it to the customer as a preliminary document before the sales order. And once he has agreed with the prices and things like that, and if he agrees to convert the sales quotation into a sales order, he'll give his agreement to us so that we can convert a sales quotation into a sales order. Then from the sales order, we can process outbound delivery, provided the customer has confirmed the sales order. We can ship the goods to the customer, which is called outbound delivery. And during this step, a goods issues document will be posted, and this is the first time an accounting document will ever be posted. There will be no accounting document posted for a sales order or a sales quotation. This is something important for you to remember because this is a famous interview question. They might want to ask you if any accounting document is to be posted in these two steps, just to trap you. And you are to answer no, because there will be no accounting documents posted when you raise a sales quotation or a sales order. The first accounting document that will be posted to finance in a sales process is doing outbound delivery, because you need to take goods out of your stock and send it to the customer. And once that is done, it is good to be billed. Once the customer has confirmed receipt of the goods, we can actually bill the customer for the total stock that we have sold to them. And the second accounting document that will be raised here, which is actually an invoice that will be posted to the finance module. So these are the two places where an accounting document will be originated. The first is during goods delivery to the customer, and the second is during billing to the customer. And sales returns is actually an optional step. We won't always have sales returns, but in case the customer finds any goods damaged, or he wants to replace it with other goods, he would send the goods back to us. We will issue a credit memo to them. So I need to add one more step here, in that a sales return will also issue a credit memo. Credit memo. This will be complete. Credit memo will be issued. So this has to be taken out. So these two are optional steps. So during sales returns, there will be a goods movement document posted to the finance module because the goods are returned back to our stock. And during credit memo issuance, there will be another finance document posted because we are adjusting the customer's outstanding debt with us. So these are the four stages where an accounting document will be involved, and there will be no accounting document posted for these two documents. This has been an overview of the sales process, and we're going to cover one by one. Let me add one more thing. To watch the full video, buy our SAP training videos at www.erptraining9.com. Let me end the overview of the sales process now.